Greetings everyone! In this video we'll show the Bereg folding camping chair. The Bereg chair has the following specifications: seat height 45 cm, seat depth 40 cm, width 50 cm, backrest height 65 cm, weight 4.5 kg. The frame is made of 25 mm aluminum tubes. The joints are made of 3 mm thick steel and the cover is made of durable Oxford 600 fabric. The chair comes with an Oxford fabric carrying bag featuring 2 handles and an inner zippered pocket. Setting up the chair takes less than a minute. Hold the backrest with one hand and the seat with the other, then pull them apart to unfold the chair. The chair is ready. It features soft armrests, large pockets under each armrest and supports loads up to 130 kg. An optional headrest can be attached to the chair. It is secured to the chair cover with a Velcro strap. To fold the chair, simply follow the same steps in reverse order. Thank you for watching. For more useful information, visit our blog using the link in the description below. We wish you enjoyable and comfortable travels.